Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and today we're camping out here in beautiful Hillsborough River State Park, and today we're going to cook up a fresh from Florida chicken, and we're going to cook it up a little bit different than most people have ever seen before. Alright, so most people, when they start off cooking a whole chicken, they have it setting just like this, but what we're going to do here is we're going to flip it over, and we're going to expose the backbone. We kind of want to flatten the chicken out a little bit, then we're going to take our chef's knife. And if you feel along here, you feel the backbone of the chicken. So what you do is you just take your knife, stick it in there, and you want to bust the rib cage, and you're just kind of cutting out the rib cage. It makes quite the sound. Now we have cut out our backbones. This is the backbone portion. Here's the rest of the bird with the removed backbone. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. Let's get some of that out of there. And then we're going to take it, flip it over here, and we're going to set it just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to come up here, and you're going to push down, break all the bones, make the chicken nice and flat. Now that the chicken's nice and flat, it's time to season it up. My favorite thing to do when cooking chicken is I take some butter and I just kind of smear a little bit on the outside, and then I like to get some butter up underneath on the chicken breasts, underneath the skin, to help work on the chicken not drying out. There's no real set amount, I just throw some butter on there, flip this over, just kind of throw a little bit in there. And now the next thing is going to be seasoning. My hands are a bit dirty. I don't want to touch my seasoning jar, so Kevin here is going to come in and assist with seasoning. First we're going to add some Everglades. And then we're going to add some pink sea salt. And then finally, we're going to add some of a new seasoning that we just got from B&B Barbecue. They sent us some seasonings to try out, and this is their chicken rub. Alrighty, so now it's seasoned up. We're going to go ahead and throw it on the grill. On the side dish here, we have our little small French fries that we're going to fry up. So I'm just soaking in some water right now to soak out some of the starches and to prevent the potatoes from browning. I'm going to add some salt in there to help give them a little bit of extra flavor. So here is a quick update. We went ahead and we flipped over the chicken, and I've got my charcoal chimney right there running, getting some charcoal prepped up, and we're going to use my Lodge fire stand. Throw the cast iron pot on top, and that's what we're going to cook our fries and our asparagus in as our side dish. Final update here, right before we pull the chicken off, is we have the chicken. We flipped it over so that way we can give it some smoke flavor and give it like a nice crust on the skin. Over here on our Lodge fire stand with our old Griswold pan, we have some French fries cooking up, and over here we have our asparagus going. Here's the asparagus, and here are the hash browns. So here you have it. Here is our chicken breasts. We have some shredded chicken right here. We have our chicken wings and 2 chicken thighs. Thank you everybody for watching. That chicken last night that we cooked up was absolutely amazing. The French fries as our side dish, we had a little issue with that, but it still came out perfect. Thank you everybody for watching.